Then we got this 345 up next. 392. He's trying to fool me. Oh yeah.
You got a bourbon tune in there too though. So once you get
Got a
the gas,
bourbon
there is
tune.
some pop. Yeah.
Nice. I'll let you guys hear in a second. Right now it's got just a resonator lead, 392 all-wheel drive Hemi. Here's sound decibels. Go rev it, bro. Hit it again. 114 decibels. 120. He says it's not loud enough. He wants it straight piped. I said, let's go.
Guys, we got a beast, a sleeper, 6.4 liter swapped 300 SRT 8. It's so fast when he was backing up, it burnt tires. And then I got mad, but I still love him. But I still got mad because he almost hit my building. But it's okay, hitting me, not almost, but I'm over exaggerating a little bit. But here, so we just fully straight piped it. So I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Need a supercharger next. That's idle, guys. I got an 85. Give it gas. What a beast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is that what the doctor ordered, homie?
I can work with that. I can work
Yes,
with that.
sir. Again? 122. And we're located in Nashville, Tennessee, guys. 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Come get you some. As you guys can see, the scoops in the hood. What a beast. Big fat tires. 6.4 liter swap. 300. Rev it hard. There it is. One more. Yes, sir. Hey, pop the hood for me. There you go. So you can't say nothing. HP Tuners Tune SRT. Full front grille. Give it gas. Need a cold air intake if you want to hear it. Yeah, next is yeah, you got to take that off, get a cold air. And a supercharger on top.
Bro, that's stupid. I think I'm gonna go Hellcat first, and then I'm gonna put the whoop on there.
Yeah.
Because the Hellcat like 1600.
Yeah. Again?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And it's got remote start. Everything works. It's ready to fly. But let's see how it flies. You guys think it's gonna fly? I think it's gonna fly. You gotta put the sticker on first. There it is. She's ready for action. You know he's gonna have fun when he's setting that up. It's cleanly done. It's not overly done. I like it. It shows that it's got something on it. Well, you don't know what until it flies. double tap it. Double tap it to make it barble. There you go. That's what you gotta do. Every time you want it to do that, you gotta go double tap it. Enjoy, bro. This is gonna be a fun drive off, guys. Get ready. Awesome. 6.4 liter swapped 300. Enjoy it.